Okay, friends, what we're going to need today is a balloon, a can, an aluminum can, and you can either use your hair or you can use a duster. If you have one of those old school feather dusters, that might work too. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera in place and then I'll show you exactly what to do. Okay, so you can do one of two things. You can rub the balloon on the duster, or you can just rub it, get a good rub on your hair, and then we're gonna see what happens when I use this part and put it next to the can. Okay, you ready? Come on. Maybe I need a little bit more of a charge. All right, here we go. There it goes. And then, let's see if I can roll it back. Yep. There you go. I hope you had fun experimenting with static electricity. The reason the aluminum can followed the balloon is because we negatively charged the surface of the balloon by rubbing it on our hair. And because opposite charges attract, the negative charge in the balloon attracted the positive charge in the can, which causes it to roll towards the balloon. To explore further, you could try this with a water bottle instead of a can, or other items that roll. You could also see if you could roll that can up a sloped surface. Please let us know what happened during your experiment. Thanks for joining us.